everyone. 皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。今日のレッスンでは、the particle やを一緒に勉強していきましょう。Let's get started. So the particle や connects to two nouns. So we learned the top previous lesson. So yeah is and. But the difference is yeah is suggesting A or B, but they might have other things as well. So that's the difference between yeah and to. So yeah suggests that the things refer to other just examples, and you may not citing not all list. Okay. So like when you have for example, you have some list A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but you just say pick the A and B as example. Then in that case, you have you can say A, yeah, B. Okay, so let's have a look. So A, B, A and B. And maybe in English, it can be A and B or something like that. Okay. Let's look at some example sentence. 奈良や京都に行きました。Repeat after me. 奈良や京都に行きました。So, this sentence means I went to Nara and Kyoto, for example, and the speaker may have visited other places such as Tokyo or Osaka, but they picked those two places. By the way, Nara and Kyoto is the name of place in Japan, one of the famous places for foreigners. Okay, let's practice the sentence. Repeat after me. 奈良や京都に行きました。はい。Next example sentence. ノートやペンを買いました。So, do you know what this sentence means? So here use や、ノートや、ペン。Not pen, these are written in katakana because it's from overseas English. So, 買います is the verb to buy. Then change to past tense. I bought would be 買います change to ました。So this sentence is past tense. I bought a notebook and a pen. Then the speaker may have bought other things such as web camera or such as sorry, I don't know what else, but that's the example. Notebook and pen are the examples. Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. ノートやペンを買いました。はい。One more time. ノートやペンを買いました。はい。はい。じゃあ次、練習問題ですね。So, yeah is used with nouns, so that's why I use the nouns still again. So my friend had a cake and a pie. So these are examples. They may have eaten other things or drink juice or something, other stuff, but that's the example sentence. I'll give you some time. So please try translate. Start. Okay, so let's look at the answer. 友達はケーキやパイを食べました。So start with this sentence. Topic is my friend. So you can start with 友達. You can include my 私の友達. But the native conversation, we can drop 私は、友達 is okay too. 友達はケーキやパイ。So cake is in English cake. In Japanese pronunciation is ケーキ。ケーキ is the Japanese way of pronunciation. And the pie is the same as pie. So we use the connect noun and noun then use the ya here. Then use the object indicator wo here. Pronunciation can be o or wo. When you speak natural speed, it sounds like just o. 食べました is ate. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 友達はケーキやパイを食べました。はい。One more time. 友達はケーキやパイを食べました。はい。I'm sorry, I forgot to show the Roman one. Let's practice one more time. A little bit faster. 友達はケーキやパイを食べました。はい。Next example sentence. Please try translate. I like pork cuts and Japanese curry. スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。The answer is とんかつや日本のカレーが好き。So here, pork cutlet is this picture. これね、この写真、これはとんかつです。pork cutlet. We call とんかつ。pork ね。や is we are learning right now. や。で、日本のカレー。So I put the Nihongo means Japanese curry because it can be Indian curry or other type of curry. But in this sentence, I just use the Japanese because we are learning Japanese. So Nihongo, no is a connection of a noun and noun belong to curry, but what type of curry? Nihongo curry. Then gasuki is I like. Or you can end with 好きです。Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. とんかつや日本のカレーが好き。はい。One more time. とんかつや日本のカレーが好き。はい。By the way, even you feel my pronunciation too fast, please keep watching video and keep practicing because it's important to keep practicing pronunciation. Okay. Okay, so the last exercise. Do you like anime and manga? So you may have other something topic as well, but this is an example. スタート。はい、では答えを確認しましょう。アニメや漫画が好きですか？さあ、here アニメや漫画が好きですか？さあ、なんやなんが好きですか is a question. Do you like? Okay. We can drop ですか informal, casual way, just 好き But in this case, you have to intonation go up. 好き The intonation is important. Otherwise, listener will not understand. Are you asking me question or are you stating? So, but if you use ですか it's more clear. It's a question. Let's practice. Repeat after me. アニメや漫画が好きですか？はい。Okay. Okay, so we have learned the particle. Yeah. Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat. You listen, then practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. 奈良や京都に行きました。はい。ノートやペンを買いました。友達はケーキやパイを食べます。とんかつや 日本のカレーが好き。アニメや漫画が好きですか？ Okay, so that's for today's lesson. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. よかったらぜひチャンネル登録をお願いします。それではまた。